In the before time, we didn't mark things with little deltas at the end. Let's retroactively add some numbers. This line was written in video 17. This chunk was written in video 19. This chunk right here, also video 19. This chunk right here, video 24. This chunk here, video 17. And that's what we did previously. And that's what we did in this video. We're just adding retroactive commentary so that you can find what video everything was originally written in. We could go over that really quick. We're going to create a server, giving it a function that's going to handle requests. So here's the request, here's the response. We have this state object bundle with the request, response, the URL, the query string, and the segments of the path that was in the request, but it's not set up yet here. We're going to make sure that everything's uppercase, so we have case-insensitive URLs. This is our hello world path. You type in /hello, you get world out. After you create the server, you have to start it up with the listen command and tell it what port to run on. And that's it. You can get the source code right here. You can email me here. This has been video 139.